Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning in my Wellness Warrior Wellness Planner, and I'm going to be using stickers from the spring sticker book that was released last year, or maybe 2019, I'm not sure. So this is the current week spread, and we're going to be planning for March 15th through the 21st. So let's go ahead and see what we can plan out. I did pick some stickers here. So kind of what I want to do in this spread is basically decorate this purple box and then leave the rest of the boxes open. Maybe. We'll see. So I do want to start with this sticker that says Spring Vibes. So I know it's not technically spring and we're still a few weeks away from spring. But the weather here has been super pretty, very sunny, and so I have all the spring vibes. So this sticker is me 1000%, and it's just got me in the mood. I don't know if I like that. It's just got me in the mood to want to make a spring spread. So the first thing I actually want to start out with is I got these letters out of the spring sticker book, and I just kind of want to stagger them around in like no particular order. I mean, of course they're going to spell hello spring, but I'm not going to be like super particular about how they're arranged, because I want this to kind of be fun and cute. Let's turn that one that way, this one this way, and then we're going to go O and put spring on the other side. Oh, okay, and then let's go with spring, and we'll start spring at the bottom and work our way up. Oh, so let's go P. I think I should go a little bit further with the P. Or hopefully this is going to look okay. Maybe. And then maybe we'll end up with a rainbow. Uh-oh. Over the G. I think I'm going to move that G down a little bit. And just straighten up the rainbow. And then I think all I'm going to do now is fill in with some of these cute little stickers here, wherever they are. Here they are. I'm just going to kind of fill in and see where this takes us, and just kind of see if we can get a spring feeling out of this spread. This is going to be probably pretty simple. I like this flower pot. That's cute. What else can we do? I think I do have 2 pages of these, so let's straighten him up just a little bit. What else do we have? Yeah, this is going to be cute. Just lots of fun spring things. I don't really want to put the bunny rabbit in there though, because I don't want this to turn out to be like an Easter spread. I want it to be springy. Okay. There are some little things here. I could put some little bicycles in there. Got strawberries, little rainbow mugs. I think I'm going to put a yellow bicycle on this side. And what else do we have? Gotta fill it in with something. I do have some little flowers too, so I can always come in with some little flowers and just fill in the gaps. I really wish I could have used those rain boots. Yeah, this is going to be cute. Just fun and cute. I think we'll put this down here. I've already got a bird on both sides. Let's try to use that. Hopefully you can still read the spring. Hello, spring. I think I'm going to move this R over just a little bit if I can. I feel like you can't see it. It's so close to that flower. Okay. Maybe move this eye over a little bit too. I will. Okay. Yeah, that's cute. What else? What else? Some of these little ones over here. Do I have? Nope, I need a little pink over here. Sorry. And I could use another rainbow. We'll see what else is in here first. I think I'm going to grab another rainbow and put it on the other side, if it's not too big. No, I think it'll be fine. Kind of wish it wasn't on the same side. I may switch those two. I don't know. We'll see. That's cute. Okay. What else do we have? I could put Bloom Baby Bloom up here. I feel like I'm going to straighten this up too. Oh, these little hearts are cute too. Put a couple little hearts in there. What else do we have? I've got a yellow heart right here to put there. Now let's go back to these. I feel like I need some more flowers, or I need something else up here. This side's pretty full. Maybe I might put another heart in there. I need something else for over here. I might could put this spade up here. No, that's gonna look silly with that heart. Well, I don't know. I don't know what to put up here. I could put this. And maybe just another one of these going the other way. That's cute. All right, I think I'm gonna grab another little heart wherever those were. And I did want to put a couple quotes in here. Let's see, so I have a purple heart to put there. And let's grab this teal one. Oh, my dog, I swear. I'm actually going to put another heart here. And I'm going to take this blue one, put it there. That's cute. I'm going to put this little succulent up here. Now I feel like I need a couple little things here. There's another pink heart. Or I could put some strawberries. Let's try to move the sunglasses. I don't know if this is going to work or not. No, I think I'm going to rip my page. Okay, let's move the shades over here and try to put some strawberries in. That's cute. I'll move these shades again. Make them go that way. Okay. All right, so both of those centers are pretty well filled in. I'm going to straighten up this little quote. And let's see if we can put, I don't even know if I want to put any quotes in now. I really don't think I do, to be honest with you. I think I want to just leave it like it is. Maybe I could find some bullet points. Let's see what all we have in here. I am going to put some washi in. But if I can't find any bullet points, I don't think I'm really going to do anything else. Just because I just wanted to mainly focus on the center section. And I think it's pretty well covered. So let's see what we can find and then put some washi down. I don't think there's going to be any bullet points. Nope. Okay. Alright, so we're not going to put these quotes in. And I'm not even going to do anything in the sidebar. Yep, I'm just going to leave that alone. So let's put, I got some of this washi that's kind of got, I don't even know if I like this washi. I wish I had some darker rainbow. Actually, I think I'm just going to quit, y'all. I think this spread is just cute the way it is. So So let's just quit. Let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. It's very basic, very simple, but very cute at the same time. So what do you think? I think it's cute, and it does leave me plenty of room to write, journal, and record the things that I need to record. So this is it, y'all. I will see you on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.